How to use multiple time frame analysis on Forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to use a multiple time frame analysis, first of all, you need to identify the main time frame. Over here, you can head over to any stock charts that you want. So the first step is identify the main time frame. The time frame is dependable on the trader's lifestyle and when he can watch the market, such as a 4-hour chart. In order to configure that time frame, you need to go to the chart settings. Tap on this 3 dots icon in the top right. Select this chart settings. Over here at the top, you can see the time frame option. Tap on this. From here, you can select your preferred time frame. And if you want to use multiple time frame analysis, second step is you need to identify the higher time frame. And this helps to determine the higher cycle trend, such as a daily chart. And third step is identify a shorter time frame for entries. This could be 1 hour or 30-minute chart. So a trader can choose up to 2 time frames, higher time frame for trend analysis and lower time frame for execution. And the relation between every time frame of the cycle is 4 to 6. So you can configure your time frame accordingly from here. That's how you can easily use multiple time frame analysis on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.